Start recording, you guys. Let's see here. So, I'm in this trade from the other day, or it's Monday, so last Friday I bought this one. Where did I buy it? Oh, yeah, right. I think I bought ones here. Then I bought another one here somewhere. And then I sold it in the 920s, I think. But I still have a lot of size, and now I am, let's see, break even. But I'm looking at the chart and I'm thinking, I think there's no reason for people to panic sell right now. And I have a stop loss order at 72, which was my average entry. But I think that I'm gonna remove that and mentally have this on as my stop, and that makes it a 1 hour loss if it goes there, I think, or maybe a little bit more. But the looks of I think it's gonna at least double top or go to 9:30 today. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of wiggle room in the morning, which I'm gonna go to my broker right now and delete the stop, which could be a very good idea or a very bad idea. But I'm gonna remove the, let's see, 772. Stop is gone, and I'm gonna give it this, let's see, I'm not gonna let the hour close, so 30 minutes of wiggle room, then I'll add a new stop, depending on how it acts. Like I said, there's no reason for this to just go flat out, just dump. There's no reason. Looking at the daily chart, we have not hit any. Let's remove this one. Let's remove this one. We haven't really hit any. Let's see here. Well, I guess, yeah, there's a little bit of resistance right there. The next one is up here. Yeah, so I think it could either make us almost like a double top today, or even take out the 12, close this gap, and also hit this resistance right here. Make a weak new high. Could be very possible. And no, I'm not gonna draw more lines here. Okay, so that's my idea for today. I just like this little volume pop here, coming back into range. I don't like how it's acting around the moving averages though. Let's take a look at the 2-hour charts. Not so good either, actually. 4-hour charts. Yeah. Question is, let's say you sold here. That's actually looking. I don't know what it's looking like, but I'm zooming in too much now. It's better to stay on the 15 minutes. And the 15-minute looks like it could recover, pop up here, consolidate, and then continue. Yeah, right here. The best case scenario would be that, to maybe have a bit of a shakeout in the morning and recover right away. I don't want to let this go under here, so I'm probably going to be more cautious around this area, 760. But again, my idea is that I want to let the 1 hour close and then put my stop loss under that. But it would suck if the first 1 hour close, which is only 30 minutes in the morning, if it goes straight down. That would not be good. So I'm gonna see how it acts around in this area. That's my plan, pretty much. And the market opens in 1 minute. Alright, let's take a look at some of these alarms. While we wait, I'm gonna just add another alarm right here to keep track. Let's see here. Need the daily chart, 1 hour weekly. Okay, let's look at AQST. I do have my stop loss on this one. It's at 52, so I can remove this one. EXAI. It's too soon. I don't like that. APLD. Oh, wow. Okay. Whoa, nice recover. Holy shit, I can add this position actually. APLD buy. There we go. Let's see. Okay, I bought some shares of APLD. I'm already in this one from down here with my stop there, so I have a really good average. And let's see, KOSS crossing. Okay, well now I have no more money to buy because that was my last bit of cash flow. This one could be a day trade. I don't like this wick here, so let's see how it looks on the 15-minute chart. GFAI. Okay, it's going down. This one, there's really nothing yet. I mean, sure, the 1 hour looks without this wick it would be really good looking, but with the wick that's a scary one. It's a scary one. I'm just gonna add a, let's see here, maybe a trend line, something like this, just to keep an eye on it during the day. Add alert, and we need to go look at the GFAI and also APLD, how it's going. Nice. Look at that. All right, so I'm smiling, I'm happy. Oh, what's the news actually? Is it earnings? I'm on the 15 minutes daily. Earnings. No earnings. EVLV. There's nothing here. Should actually delete this alarm. Okay, GFAI. I'm sorry. Gotta. Oh, that's exactly what I did not want to happen. Gonna try and stay true to my idea on this one. Let's see here. Okay, weekly resistance. We do have support on 579. Of course, I don't want to hold it down there. I would want to be out pretty much right here, and that's a nice shakeout. So let's let this 5-minute close, and then 2-minute close after that one if it triggers. Come on, alarm. It's gonna have support at 67. I don't like that big drop, but also that could be a, let's see here, K5 crossing. Wow, it's so weak. Why is it so weak? Why is it so weak? So it looks like the remove of my stop loss was a bad choice. I'm down 2R, but I took profits before, so maybe it's 1 hour. That's not what I want. This is so weird. Right, let's zoom out like this and let the first hour close in 25 minutes. I have the Swedish market up here. Anything interesting? Build. Cinch. Oh, look at that. Nice recover. Anyhow, oh, SPB. Swedish market. Yeah, due for a bounce, for sure. For sure. But it's a slow mover. Anyhow, back to, let's see, volume gainers. Percent change gainers, percent change losers. AMC is on top of the list. It's dumping, totally dumping. This one could be cool though as a 15-minute, 1 hour close buy setup. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it could be really nice actually. So first 15 minutes here, and then another 15 minutes, and then you buy the break of that 15-minute high, which is also the new hour. So let's add this to my day trade list. AMC, oh, it's already there. GFAI is bouncing nicely. Please come back. I don't like this. Let's see here. There we go, 5 minutes. If it breaks again, I'll wait for the 2-minute close, and no matter where it is, I'm not gonna wait for my 1 hour close. I'm gonna add the stop because I can't let this go any further down. I can't do that. I'm just gonna also add a, let's see, alert here. And APLD is doing what? Going crazy. Nice. This one is too early. Oof. Way too early. No. Also daily chart. I guess you could say it's a bit of a head and shoulders, but I don't like how it acted around here, so it's probably gonna need a few more weeks here, at least for this 10 week to catch up. So pop, down, bounce, so 2-3 weeks, I'd say. APLD again. Alright, so where is my stop now? Obviously under here. Let's see, my average is, looking at my broker, let's see, average. Can I get one? 752, and I have the most of my shares at 752, and then 857. 752, 52, 857, right there. So let's say in between, a little bit lower. So say my average is 8, probably. It's probably 8, and my stop should be, should be 0 because I'm using the lows of the day. So this is a profit no matter what. And I'm glad I was able to add some shares. That's actually really nice. Oh wow, it's up. Let's see, 5, 6R already. Ooh, 6, 12, 6, 7. Yeah, 7R. 7R. Goddamn. GFAI, please don't fail me. I'm just gonna add this, remove these lines. And my average is, let's see here. I'm just gonna add a stop loss, right? I mean, not a stop loss, an alarm. Here. And also an alarm here. Okay. GFAI, AMC, APLD, AMC, GFAI. Nice. Yeah, it would be so many alarms here. What's going on? Okay. 20 minutes before the hard stop is set. Wow, that's my first proper breakout Like look at the charts. I mean, look at this. Look at that chart. And also I bought the bounce on the 50-day right here on the 1 hour breakout. 752. Holy shit. So how much do I have in it? I have $650. 650 from 8. And how far could this thing go? It could easily do 100%. Easily. In, you know, look at this. Look at the history of this one. After the breakout, this volume, insane volume. This one can go. For sure. The volume, though, is not so good. Really not so good today. Alright, what? Why is it showing like this? That's weird. What about the 1 hour chart? Okay. It's not really showing yet. 1 million. What's this? 600k. Oh, I guess. I mean, I guess it's only the first 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see in an hour or so what it does. That's so cool. It's so weird how it acted here. It closed under, shook out, but then reclaimed. This little reclaim, look at that on daily chart right there. Shake out under the line and then reclaim. It's beautiful. It's tight range here. With support now, with support of the 10 weekly moving average. Whew. Okay. APLD. Yes, okay, day trade, let's see here. GFAI. Don't like this one. 15 minutes for my stop. Kind of sucks though. It doesn't suck. I should. If I had my stop loss in place, yes, I'd be out at break even right here. Or unless it was too fast of a move. It probably was. 72. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it actually jumped. Pretty much. So it would be. Actually would not have been filled here maybe. Because I don't have a big slippage from my stop, which is could be really bad, but 72. Let's see what the market is doing today. The market is, oh, it's gapping up. Yeah. Small gap up, but we're in a small consolidation phase here after a nice move. And it's actually like this one. This is a small cap market, the Russell 2000 ETF, and it's actually moving quicker than the S&P, which is really bullish for the small cap market. Really nice. It's still too early because I don't think it's gonna break out of this right away. It's gonna probably, or actually would be nice if it came up a little bit more and then consolidated here. That would be super bullish for the coming, months. Really bullish. We never had this type of consolidation, ever. Look at this. How long is it? 63 weeks. Maybe here? No, 40. We never had this consolidation, this long of consolidation. Maybe this one. Oh, that's actually looking not so good. Oh no, okay. Yeah, we're 60 weeks in. Look at that. Not even close. Not even close. We never had this. That's pretty cool. QQQ. Just chilling. Almost a double top soon. That's wow. Insane. Oh no, did I remove it? No. What did I do? What did I do? Did I remove 2 tickers? Let's see, NASDAQ and QQQQ. GFA. Oh. Yeah, it's time to get out of GFAI. That's was a really bad call for me. But I'm gonna let this 2 minutes, like I said, close. In 1 minute. Actually, get the fuck out of there. Or actually, no, wait. Ugh. I'm gonna fuck you. 1547. So weak, so weak. So weak. Down to R. So weak. Let's see here. 796. 796. $795, $794. $757. Where did I get in? Here. Wow. It's pretty sick. Only because I had the alarm. Wow. So good. Oh, what's this? Oh, so liquid. What's the day looking like? Oh, nice, nice. Also could be a really good trade. Maybe if it starts moving up. EXAI, AI, Soundhound. Ooh, looking weak. Looking weak. Oh, what did I say before? 2 minute close. Yes, I did say that. Which is low 92. Oh, I know where it's going. It's going down here and it's probably gonna bounce. Should I just get out and say fuck it, or should I hold it and wait for the bounce to sell? Original idea was to keep the stop loss at 772, which was a break even trade, because I made a nice trade on Friday Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. I'm not gonna let this keep on going. There we go. Sold the bottom. The bottom. And the question is, I had two ideas this morning, which I broke pretty much both of them. First idea was to keep the stop loss at 772, so maybe I would have been out here, maybe, if I didn't slip. And the second idea was to wait for the 1 hour close, which is in 9 minutes. But it's just such a violent move. Here's the volume coming in. And the idea is that you can wait here for the 15-minute buy setup, which could come here. So where did I sell? 680, pretty much the bottom. Yes, sir. There we go. But, I mean, if this is going today, you could still make a few R, who knows. Let's take a look at the other ideas for the day. I'm also gonna put this alarm right here. 771. Swing trade, yes. What about the day trade? Okay. AMC. Actually looking really nice. Nice bleed for a potential bounce. It's not that kind of market yet. These were Friday's runners, first big green day, and you know, we had made one leg, made a second leg. This one was really hard. The entry was really hard. Or actually, maybe I was just unfocused. Let's see what it looks like here. So the entry was right in the morning. But then they faded, so it's not really that market yet. But if the Russells come back and breaks that range, these charts can go from this to even higher in 1-2 days. This type of fading is just a weak market. I'm actually really happy about selling GFAI. Even though I sold the bottom. I mean, I was talking about this range here at 669, which is the 50-hour moving average. It's probably going to bounce off of that and probably come out at least, you know, here 799. Fill that little gap. But I don't wanna. I mean, obviously, I should have sold earlier, obviously, but you never know. Sometimes they, you know, this one could have stayed here for 30 minutes, made like a little wick, first 15 minutes, and then the next 15 minutes triggered. So we'll see what happens. AMC, AP, ooh, not good. Or actually, it's digesting quite a big move. Would have been nice though to sell, you know, sell the breakout and buy back. Oof, that would be sick. 10%, 600. Let's see, what about the volume? Okay, 1 million. Yeah, now it's starting to look like some. Ooh, 8 million. That's good. That's good. Really good. Question is, can I add to this one? Should I add? I mean, I'm above break even on my stop. Can I get like a 5-minute entry? That would actually be 881 APLD. Okay. Let's see, how many shares do I have? 80 shares, up 13%. Yeah, so, oh wow, 782 is probably my entry. $782. So I'm break even risk. I mean, I'm more than break even. I don't like how this triggered. Usually the price likes to come back and fill in these gaps. Usually. But I don't know about that. Oh, what's this? No. Let's look at the gainers. Same. PXMD. No. AMC. Okay. I think AMC could be a nice trade. Nice bounce trade. Question is, no, there's no need to add more to this. I'm already in quite heavy at a really good price, so there's no need to, you know, ruin it. At least a FOMO buy here, maybe if it sets up in another way, that could be a possible thing to do. But right now I'm looking at this panic. Usually, like I said, or usually sometimes after a dump like this, the first 15-minute buy setup is the way to go. And wonder if I can fill the size, for, like say for example, if it triggers right here, I'd need 50 shares. AMD. AMC. AMC. 50 shares. Yeah, easy. Easy money. 522. So yeah, I have enough to fill my. Oh, it's a wide risk. Would be better with a smaller one. And how you get into a smaller entry is that you anticipate the 15-minute buy setup with a maybe a 5-minute buy setup within that one. So for the next 10 minutes or 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you could also do that. Wow. Look at this run. GFAI, what you doing? Acting the same. Oh, the whole market is acting the same way. Look at this shakeout. Just like AMC. Just like AMC. Yeah. But AMC is more violent, but the ADR. This 460 area is Interesting. 465, maybe. GFAI. TST. GFAI just triggered. Let's open another window actually. No. Oh fuck. Duplicate tab. There we go. Did it trigger? No, it's equal highs at the moment. So let's put an alarm at 7:26. I do like the range more on AMC, I mean. 5-minute triggered. Now I'm wondering if it's a good idea to get in at maybe like this 504. And how much? 60 shares. 504, 60 shares. I have an order at 504 just as a starter, and then if it pops I'll find another entry on and raise it to 488. GFAI. There we go. Well, I'm not in it, but that's, you know, that was my thought process. But it's so scary to just rely on that. It's better to get out and maybe find another entry. And right now I'm looking at AMC, like I said, looking for this one to bounce back to the 640s. I think I'll get filled on this candle right here, because we just triggered the 5-minute. Let's add some lo-fi. Low music. There we go. Low volume, I mean. always funny. Always funny. Because what did I say? What did I say? You know, yeah, it is funny. I mean, I said in the beginning, I told you guys that I didn't like it if we were to drop down. I mean, obviously we had some support, but I didn't want us to drop down to this area. And I told myself that I'll just lower my stop after the 1 hour close, but I didn't want it to get past this level. So what happened is that I did sort of the right thing, but also the bad thing. I mean, because if I waited for the 1 hour close, it would be right here, 660, 670. But I panic sold at 680. So, you know, could I have given this 1.5% more to some wiggle room? Yeah, for sure. For the potential move I was looking for, which was a, you know, sort of like a double top today, or 920 something. I think it's gonna get to 920. Let's see if I can get filled. 6%. It is early. I mean, it could just keep dropping, of course. And I was looking, you know, this line and also the big picture says that we could very well go to 460s, which would be below my stop. But I'm also willing to give this a little bit of wiggle room depending on the time frame and how it acts. Hmm. 496. It's actually super early. I mean, it's probably, even if it's going higher today, it's probably gonna create a range here on like a 1 minute chart, which it's doing. And let's see if we can undercut 504. Yeah, that's a bad entry actually. 497 at least. Yeah, 497. I changed my order because why try to get a, you know, the 50-minute hasn't even triggered yet. So why should I try to get an early entry without confirmation? It's just stupid. So a little bit of a lower entry for 97. I actually think you could take out this one. Yeah, let's get this 495, 494, 494, 494. And let's increase the share size, 494, right there, to, let's say 90, 80 shares. So, yeah. I increased the share size to 80 shares from 494, trying to predict this bounce. We'll see how it acts. I'm just gonna put let's see, 5 minutes, an alarm here. Because I mean, even if the 50-minute triggers, it's not gonna fly right away. It's gonna bounce, and it's gonna chop around, and another entry would be at 5:14 if it triggers. But right now I'm looking at this saying that it's too early. I mean, it's gonna make another low. Maybe not a lower low past 488, but I definitely think this little wedge it's building is not gonna hold. You need some more support. What the fuck do I know? What is GFAI doing? A little bit of a head and shoulders? Maybe. Boop. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see, APLD. Oh wow, okay. I like that. Really like that. Let's not do anything. Let's just let it do its thing. Man, it would be so sick if this one actually, you know, works. It would be my proper first entry. Oh my god, look at this thing. Ooh. Yeah. Man, magical if it happens. I mean, it could. Let's zoom out. Where are we? Let's look at this big picture. Is this one? Yeah. Let's hide everything. Hide indicators. Hide all. Let's look at this thing. What are we looking at? We are looking at a we're looking at a chart. Not much more to say. 30. Ooh. I mean, yeah. That's good. That's good. Wow. So what can it do? What can it do? First consolidation, pop. But it was after this here. And it came up, and that's the beauty of it. Look at this. Made this little flag right here. Right there. Then it triggered. Almost shook you out the next day or the next week. That's scary. I don't want to look at that. I'm gonna panic. And then it went. But where did it go? It just lured in more people above. Oh yeah, I can't draw, but you can see this level right here. And where did it top out? Okay. So where would people be, you know, lured in on this one? It would be above 26, or actually all-time high peekaboo at 33. That would be insane. Insane. All right, let's stop dreaming about this one and look at AMC. AMC triggered maybe? No, did not trigger yet. Oh, news? No. GVI triggered. Okay, so now look at this. It's a beautiful range. If you, let's say, go to the 2-minute chart right here, another entry would be the break of this trend line. But not now, not if it breaks right here. It would be best if it comes back down, chops around, and then goes, you know, in maybe in an hour or so, 30 minutes maybe. AMC. Okay, hit some resistance, and now it's gonna come lower. Maybe. Nice volume on that one. So where would all these people be out, you know? Where would these people want to exit? Well, I guess the low of the day, no? Can we make a smaller low? 486. 486 AMC. Or actually, let's not do nothing. I'm just looking at some other things right now. There's some shit coins in the web browser, so you can't see it. Looking what's moving. Come on. Loading. Here we go. Insane volume, yeah, but it's it's crap. What the fuck? It's bad. Okay, back to the charts. There's really no reason for me to film anymore. I mean, I got my entry on this one, which was my... was it? Yeah, it was already on my list. Swing trade, let's see here. Just wanna look at AMC, GFAI, okay. Watch list, swing trade here. Yeah, look at that boy. And the ones on my watch list, this one is not ready yet. It's not ready. XAI. Wow. This one, insane. Looks like AMC is about to trigger. Interesting. I'm gonna remove this line. That's where we are on the weekly. Okay. Right. Remove that. Remove this one. If it triggers, I'll raise my buy order to somewhere around... yeah, it's 504. I would say it's a good entry, which is in a second. And if I buy at 504, actually maybe even here, 503. And if I want to buy, let's say, I want to give it a little bit of a wiggle room. 100 shares, yeah, that's good. 485. If it triggers here, I'm gonna raise my buy order to 503 instead of down there. Oh, super close to triggering. It's good. Probably gonna pop. PB. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. Nothing. Wow, even my ad is up 12%. That's insane. I wonder if Kulamaji is in this one. Is enough volume for him? Let's see, the dollar volume is TDL 80 million. Yeah, for sure. Ooh, nice. Look at that. That's good. But is it ready though? It's I don't know. I wouldn't want to add. It's still really early. But I like that it's moving to the upside at least. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording right now and start recording again if I'm in the trade, but also I'm going to work in 1 hour. So can't really keep on going, but as well I don't wanna keep these recordings too long. An hour and a half is good enough. So what did we come to conclusion today? Nothing, but we came to the conclusion that it made a lower low. No, it didn't. Okay. You should take your stop loss. 772 was a really good area to exit, and then potentially re-add. You know, maybe you add at the same price, but the picture is looking better. So that's a lesson for today. Take your stop loss, and have your alarms ready. You know, this one, I was already in it on the 50-day bounce, but I mean, I would have no idea. I mean, no time in hell to get into this one without this alarm that I had. I mean, this thing popped. Look at that. Pop. And now, ooh, look at that. Look at the share volume. 12 million shares an hour into the trading day. That's absolutely insane. It's good stuff. I don't want to get too excited. I mean, what if it just goes back and I have to take the loss, of course. Right now my stop loss is down here, but I added, my average is about, you know, 790 maybe. Oof. It's a non-loss trade unless it gaps down, but why I'm ranting. I'm just ranting right now. Ugh. Oh, look at this. AMC, let's go. Did not yet trigger. Let's see if we can take out this one. Maybe fill my order at 499 maybe. Where was it? 497? Here 496. Where do I even have it? 494. Oh, that's a bit of a stretch, I think. 494 feels low, but it never even triggered. I mean, that's actually bearish. Never triggered. Oh wait, it did. Here, it triggered for sure, and it's probably gonna take out this low right here, 495, and my entry is 494. But with that said, I will add more if it bounces right away. 50-minute trigger. So why this area? Because all the people who bought this little breakout right here, where's their stop? I mean, is it this low? No, they're greedy. They're not gonna use the lows of the day. They're gonna use this one, 495, and that's where the price is headed. 495. Maybe. Anyway, let's stop recording. And well, this was fun. See if I can do this a few times a week when I'm at the market. We'll see. Ciao.